Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to copy a website online for free. So basically, if you want to copy a website, it's very simple. You can use a website cloner. So in Google, just go to website cloner, and there are a bunch of website cloners that you can use for free. But one of the website cloners or copiers that I prefer is this one. This is called Save Web to Zip. Yeah, so you can save it as an HTML, as a CSS and JavaScript, or as images or fonts. Now, there are a lot of process when it comes to copying a website, but this is definitely the first step. The first step is, to, of course, to download it as a zip. So, for example, if we will be downloading this website right here, just copy the URL link and then paste it here. Then automatically, you can now extract the zip file for it, the CSS, including the fonts and even the images. And then from here on, you can start copying the file. There are much more, the process is much more tedious than this, but this is how you can get the overall file for in order for you to clone a website. Now, another way to do this is to either click Control S or right click the web page and then save it as an HTML or as a complete web page file. So if you copy it as an HTML, it'll look like this. There we go. And if you copy it off as a website, then it looks like this. Everything here is uh everything you need in order to copy the website is already here. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.